Do you know what I mean? Wow, don't you?
Wow! We're only going to one.
Plus one.
Card. You got to put your card up to there. That's the one. Here we go.
Wow!
First floor.
Wow!
Wizards are like no spells in the corridors. You'll wake up the cat.
Here we are.
Wizards. Wizards room. Here we go, sir. In here. This is it.
The wizard's room. Oh, look, we've got. Oh, look at the view.
Wow, there's a lake.
Nice. And a cat. Wow, look at the mouse.
There's a mouse up here.
You can see a mouse. Yeah, there's a mouse.
Look at that nice view.
Look,
Oh, this is nice.
Lovely.
this is nice, isn't
I
it?
like these.
Oh, is that? Look, there's potions on the wall. And there's a frog. Look up here.
A frog.
Wow.
A frog and some potions.
Right, take your shoes off. Mummy's going to take
Look, some owls. Have you seen the owls? Look at that. Wow.
Look at your high, so high.
You're in my photo.
There's a wizard.
So high.
Wow. There's a mouse.
Actually, I've got the light on.
Oh, look at Zach's room.
Bathroom. That's your bathroom.
Lovely.
A key there.
There's a key, yeah. Zach, can you see the cat?
Oh, look at the potions.
So potions in the bathroom.
They're flashing.
Oh, what, on the wall?
Yeah.
Oh, Zach, look. Look. Wow, look at that.
That nice one.
I like the blue one. That looks lovely. Let's have a look at that. Let's have a look at that bathroom. Let's have a look in here. Oh, wow. Oh, look, we've actually got Legoland hand soaps.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Plug in. What is that?
Wow, the wizard bath. And there's a shield in the back there. Look, a magic spells book.
A magic sofa.
Very cool.
What is your bedroom?
The wizard room.
It's a bit dark, actually.
Zach, look, there's a safe here. Zach, we got to open this later, haven't we? How are we going to open it? There's a cobweb, look, a spider web in the corner. Look.
The spider web.
Look, you see the potions on the wall. Oh, shut the curtains. Look, they light up. Wow. There we go. There's a wizard there. I like this guy, don't you? There's a mouse and a book. What else is there, Zach? Very cool. And a frog.
And the cat. Did you get the cat? I love the cat.
Where's the cat? At the front door?
Yeah, the cat's on the safe.
Wow.
Yeah, the
I like
lights
the
are
ones
really
up
nice,
there.
aren't they?
The ones up there are nice. Yeah, we got a coffee machine. We have actually got a fridge. I did forget a fridge, but the fridge is in here. With our drinks. Oh, look at that.
I love it.
I love it. I'm surprised his whiskers don't break. Look at that. Very cool.
Yeah, you are.
Must have rods in there.
Oh, no. Up here.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
Right, I need to go
Dragonfly.
down and get our pizza.
Oh.
Can I have a card to get back in?
Yeah. Good boy. Press the button for the lift. Press the down button. The down arrow, that's it. Press G. That's it.
It's dark.
Whoa.
If you're taking part in the tournament,
There we go. That was good, wasn't it? That was fun. Try to pull the sword out. Pull it up. Can you pull it up? Is it going to move? No. Zach, there's a rope above you. Hold on to this with your hands. Our room is up there. Our room is that one there. That's our room. You okay? Keep moving. Wow, look at that.
Zach, you hungry?
Yeah.
We've got Domino's. Took a long time, but we got it.
Right now, right?
We got there in the end. Go on, Zach, go in.
It's actually the lights are going to go out.
hold on, everyone. We're nearly there.
Look at Mummy's, look at that.
Whoa!
Wizards alive.
Hey, Zach.
This one's a bit
That's it,
hot.
take it over there. Good
Yeah.
boy. We got American hot, Texas barbecue,
Hang on, Zach, what needs to get you
and pepperoni. Just put Zach to bed. Yeah, these are cool lights in the room. Very nice. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. From a very wet Legoland.
Golden key.
There is a gold key, yeah. I wonder if that would be one of our questions, because we need to get into the safe. Is that you're going to put some Lego on the wall? Zach, we got to do your treasure hunt, haven't we? Should we write your name on the page? There we go. Wow, there we go. Right, Zach, the first question.
How many apples are around your room?
Can you see any apples? Green
around.
apples.
Look around. How many apples? Look up.
Green apple.
1
Yeah.
Any more?
and 2.
Should we have a quick look? I'll have a quick look
Look
down
on the
there.
On the carpet.
Can you see any green apples? So how many is there then? Is that 3?
2, 3.
Okay. Right, 3.
Look in the car.
Okay, sorry. Right, well, the next question is...
How many bats? How many bats can you see?
1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5.
Can you see a green crystal?
Here.
Well
okay,
done.
right, so it's green. So what numbers?
4.
4. Right, Zach, shall we go and try and open the treasure chest?
Yeah.
So it's 3, 5, 2, 4. Can you do that? Can you open that? You push it in and then turn. Push it in. That's it. Now open it.
What's inside?
Right, so what is in here?
Got a new leg.
You got a new towel? Oh, wow.
Wow.
What else?
I got your book.
You got a book. What else?
And he got your
Lanyards.
badge. I got your lanyard.
Wow. And you got a parrot.
A
A Lego
Lego
parrot.
parrot.
Well done. Zach, did you like staying here in the Legoland Hotel?
Yeah.
The Legoland Castle Hotel? Next to your favourite Lego lady. You get very shy, don't you?
Next to Lego Man.
It's a
Yeah.
Lego lady.
Lego lady.
It's a girl. It's not a boy.
Boy.
You're a wizard and you're not called Harry.
You're not called Harry.
Ground floor. If you're taking part in the tournament celebrations.
Zach, do you want pancakes? Yeah, I like the stained glass window up there. That's really cool. And the dragon, and there's eggs.
And then the salmon has flickering fire.
Does it make a noise?
It's a crackling. Can you hear it?
No? Yes, okay, I got poached egg and Lisa has got
Scramble.
Spider-Man, and Zach has got some toast. Look at that.
Can you get the knife in the jam?
Yeah, go on then, you put a knife in the jam, that's fine. Alright, we are ready to leave our room and the Castle Hotel. Yeah, it's been really good. I wish the weather was a bit better. Last time we came it was raining on our second day. Said bye room.
Bye, room. Lego.
Can you see the coins?
Lego.
Yay.
Everywhere's Spider.
Come on, is that? Say bye, Castle Hotel.